Here's how to blur part of a video in CapCut PC. Start by adding your video to the timeline. Now select the clip, press Ctrl-C, and then Ctrl-V to duplicate it. Make sure both clips are perfectly aligned on top of each other. Next, select the bottom clip, go to Effects, and search for Blur. Drag the blur effect onto that bottom layer. You won't see anything yet because the top clip is covering it. Now select the top clip, go to Video, then click on Mask. Choose a shape like rectangle or circle. Click Invert so only the selected area reveals the blur underneath. Resize and position the mask over the object you want to blur. Now, if your object moves, we need to track it. Go to the beginning, click the keyframe icon, move forward frame by frame and adjust the mask position to follow the object. Repeat this until the motion is fully tracked. And that's it. Now your blur follows the object smoothly. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.